Hello, thank you for choosing Brother. My name is Brendan, and today I'll show you how to replace the toner in your DCPL2550DW. These instructions also apply to the HLL2390DW, MFCL2730DW, or MFCL2750DW. Your printer can use a Brother TN730 or TN760 cartridge. Be sure to have one ready. We'll start by removing the empty toner. Open the toner cover on the printer, remove the cartridge, and press the green lever to separate the toner and drum. Be sure to keep the drum. Next, we'll open the new toner. It should be in a sealed bag. Do not unseal the bag until you're ready to replace the toner. Remove the orange plastic protector from the toner cartridge. Slide the toner into your drum unit until you feel it click into place. Slide the green tab back and forth several times and lock it all the way to the left. Finally, install the assembly into the printer. You should feel it clip into place. Close the toner cover and wait for the display to stop showing an error message. And there you have it. Now you know how to replace the toner in your DCPL2550DW.